morning, dear students. Today we are going to do a practical, that is to mount the Parapodium of Nereis and to observe it under the microscope. First, we are going to see some points about this worm Nereis. It comes under the genus Polychaete and in the family Nerilidae. Most of this worm, it is marine and it is commonly known as ragworms or clapworms. And look, its image in this picture. It is long, slender, dorsoventrally flattened, and it can grow up to a length of 5 to 30 centimeter in length. And it possesses setae, certain bristle-like structure, and structure to hold all the setae is called parapodia for locomotion and gas exchange. Then the setae are of two types. Among the setae, two types exist. One bristle-like normal setae, and one is very thick and stiff and long. That setae is called aciculum. So, what's the role of aciculum? Is to give support. Is to provide support, and other bristle-like setae helps in locomotion, crawling, and all these bristles it is visible towards exterior of this polychaete worm. You can see it projecting to the outside. Okay, and this is the structure of Parapodium. It's a colored image, this one. So let's see which are the structures. Each segment of that Nereis bears a pair of Parapodium, except the anterior head appendage. And it is a locomotory structure, and it is biramous. Two branches are there, biramous, and it possesses a basal part and two distal part. One basal part and two distal part. The distal part on the dorsal side is called notopodium, and the distal part on the ventral side is called neuropodium. Okay. Then both notopodium and neuropodium, they are bilobed with a bundle of setae. Here and here we can see bundle of setae. And among the setae, one is thick, dark color, and it is more stiff, it is longer, and its name is aciculum. Gives support to the parapodium. And also the dorsal side of the notopodium, and also to the ventral side of the neuropodium, there present a small tentacle. They are called cirrus. As it is present attached with the dorsal notopodium, it is called a dorsal cirrus. As it is attached with the ventral neuropodium, it is called a ventral cirrus. We can see that cirrus here, dorsal cirrus and ventral cirrus. So next we can go and do that practical. So this is a whole Nereis worm, polychaete worm. I'm bringing it to a closer view. Now you can very clearly, you can see the parapodium on either side of each segment. Each segment bear a pair. This parapodium on one side, and you can see here on the other side also parapodium. So entire body, entire segment possesses a pair of parapodium except the head segment. And next we need to cut out a small section from its body. And again we need to divide or to cut vertically to separate the upper and or left and right side. Then only it is possible to clearly, very correctly remove a single parapodium from its body. So I am going to take the parapodium's Parapodium bearing body on one side only. Now, so here we can see the parapodium, and our next aim is to cut out one segment bearing one parapodium. So that's what I'm doing here. The blade that we need to use should be so sharp. So this is the segment here. This is the parapodium. Parapodium. You can see, I think. Okay. And then next, I'm going to take that parapodium onto a slide without damaging that parapodium. Here, this is that parapodium extending out from its body. Then putting a cover slip without wrapping air bubble, and need to give a gentle squash. Okay, now it's ready to observe under the microscope. Under the microscope, we can see the parapodium in this form, and here we can see this much portion is notopodium and this much portion is neuropodium. Here we can see the aciculum, dorsal cirri also visible. Dorsal cirrus, ventral cirrus is not that much visible here, and here we can see that tuft of setae, and here a few also we can see. This is the structure. I hope it is very clear to you, and it's a very easy practical. Thank you.
I'm an icon, man. I'm a girl about a 10. I should fuck her in a Benz.